Well, how does stress impact our overall health and well-being is a really good question, and one that I think people kind of naturally have a feeling for. Stress is not good, and being in a high tension, high anxiety state is never good for anyone. But as we are stressed, our normal body response to fight and flight is to produce more adrenaline. And so, although that can have benefits if we're, hunters and hunter gatherers and in the woods trying to survive, that's one thing. But dealing with our family and our workplace, high stress, high cortisol levels are never a good thing. They have negative or catabolic effects on really on everything from our hormones to health at a cellular level. And so we measure cortisol levels routinely when we start with patients. And then during annual examinations, I look at things that I might not see on a monthly or bi-monthly basis throughout the year. And so obviously we like to keep those stress levels, cortisol levels as low as possible, which is sometimes easier said than done. Sleep and good quality sleep, rest is what can help to lower those cortisol levels, and finding better ways to deal with chronic stress, like regular exercise, reading, positive books and self-improvement, spiritual awakening and such, meditation. There's many things that we can do to help to combat stress. So IV therapy is an interesting topic that I'm sure you are hearing more about every day. We've been doing it for many years here, and we kind of take it for granted that people understand the benefits of doing IV vitamin therapy. One, a hydration issue is good when you live at 8,000 feet or higher in Aspen, Colorado. Most people are chronically dehydrated. So obviously, from a fluid balance standpoint, any direct intravenous treatment is going to help overall hydration, but particularly helping to deliver the vitamins and nutrients that we need on a daily basis directly into the bloodstream, produces really a great sense of well-being. Most people notice a surge or improvement in everything from memory to energy levels, helping to decrease inflammation. A lot of folks deal with chronic pain injuries, issues related to previous injuries and such. And so being able to deliver vitamins and nutrients directly into the bloodstream, and a simple technique taking maybe 30 minutes at the most, is highly effective. So as I said, delivering the vitamins and nutrients that we need directly into the bloodstream can produce, many significant benefits. It is specific, and we use, high dose of all the B vitamins, minerals, calcium, amino acids. We use glutathione, which is a powerful antioxidant, vitamin C, which has tremendous stress relief benefits, and in high doses has even been reported to have anti-cancer benefits. Now, we don't use vitamin therapy for cancer therapy specifically, but it definitely affects cellular function at that level and can improve overall health, reducing your risk for more significant disease. And so I like to do micronutrient testing on all our new clients so we can look for any specific abnormalities in how you've been absorbing vitamins, whether you're taking supplements or just eating, let's say, a vitamin rich in fruits and green leafy vegetables and such. It's pretty surprising how many times we still see deficiencies in a number of vitamins. I tested a couple of young guys, one's 9 and one's 11 or 12, for their father last week. I just sat down yesterday to review that. They're young, healthy guys that eat as good a diet as their family can provide. They're hockey athletes. One of them plays almost twice daily every day, attends school in a hockey academy here in town. And he had significant losses of trace minerals, of vitamin C, of B vitamins, folic acid. So there's a number of things that we make a program for. And whether it's oral supplementation in addition to a healthy diet, or doing IV vitamin therapy to address those specifics in the quickest and most effective way possible, we tailor that treatment for those people. And the proof is in the pudding, as they say. People just feel better when we restore those vitamin levels. Let's see, what else? Well, one of the other, immediate benefits of IV therapy, besides stress reduction and improvement in energy levels, overall sense of well-being, is that it improves and impacts significantly the immune system. We need trace minerals, vitamins, nutrients for your immune system to function properly. I mean, we all know during cold and flu season, you load up on zinc and vitamin C, and vitamin D even has, during COVID, high levels of vitamin D and zinc were touted as potential treatments. And so they can help anyone every day. And that's why we want to make sure and address all the vitamins in a spectrum that we normally would utilize for human consumption in a way that's easy to do, that's not cost prohibitive. And so I love having folks come in on a very regular basis for IV treatment, in addition to anything else that they're doing for their own individual health and well-being. And so I think the impacts are great. I have a number of people say, since we've been doing this, I just haven't been sick as much. And patients with any chronic issues like chronic bronchitis, I used to have that every other month. I only had it once last year or twice. And so, it does make a difference. You don't have to wait until you're sick. If you want more information, just look at the link here on our website. We work with people all over the world doing micronutrient testing, helping ship vitamins to them that they may desire. And so my advice is, if we don't do it for you, see someone that can do a little testing and help look at a profile of the micronutrients in your bloodstream from your diet and any supplements you're using, and see, are those levels adequate? And is there something else I should do for my better health? How's that?